Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I will share you a grooming kit review, that is Meditive 2-in-1 electric movement trimmer. So let's start. So first of all I will talk about this packaging. So you can see that you will get this trimmer in a compact box inside which all the parts will be there. See the look, it is very easy to handle, lightweight. It comes with two different kind of blade, the wider one for your leg, arm, armpit, and the another one that is detail trimmer head which you can use for your face, side band and upper lips. The plus point is this is a rechargeable trimmer. It comes with a Type-C cable, so you can use it in your cell phone adapter, laptop, power bank, anywhere for your long grooming sessions. After trimming you can clean it with a brush. This trimmer is fully waterproof, so you can use it in the shower time as well. It comes with 3 different kinds of comb. You can attach it with your blades for more smoother feel. It comes with 1 year warranty. You have to register it once you buy within 7 days. And there is a manual too. To change the trimmer head, just push the head slightly and fit the other head in the machine. Just a single press on the power button to on and off the trimmer. To remove the blade, place your thumb on the teeth of the blade and gently push up and push the blade slightly on the head to reattach it. So let me tell you my personal experience with it. When the blade touches your body, the mild vibration relaxing your body. It feels like a mini spa and it gives you a very smooth, clean shaving without any rashes, cuts because of its ceramic blade and the R-angle design. And you can see my result, right, how smooth it looks without any irritation. So now I will use it on my face also with the detailed trimmer head. It's removing my sideburns and it glides on the skin very easily without a single cut. As you can see, it removes even very small hairs so easily. So guys, honestly I like the trimmer very much. It travel friendly. Wax, razor, those are taking more time to give the same result. I hope you like this detailed video. Thank you for watching. Bye.